It does surprise me, and that's because first of all we have to think that many of those trials that the people were thinking about were trials that they started already several years ago. A trial takes many times, especially pivotal trials, and we have to think that I would say in some way that there was an explosion of digital health technologies with the COVID pandemic time around 2020. When I joined ASC Therapeutics in 2019, I started working immediately on planning for my phase 1/2 dose escalation trial. It's a relatively simple trial, but I was in the midst of basically selecting a CRO and with already my initial clinical synopsis and clinical protocol ready when the pandemic hit. And it was sudden. So it was, again, the first quarter of 2020 when not only us, but also the CROs that we were already talking to and the one that we selected started talking to us, okay, we have to do something. Either we start incorporating some of these decentralized approaches, or you are not going to be able to enroll patients for this relatively small trial, 8 to 12 patients. But what I noticed is that the CRO already acquired a company that was doing mobile clinical services, and they present that to us. We like that, and we were probably one of the first users of this approach. So again, what I think is that this is an evolving process. Is going to take some time for everyone to adopt it, because yes, we are in some way a dinosaur infrastructure in both pharmas and biotechs, and at the end of the day, we want to make sure that the FDA is not going to have any red flags for us. So we are very careful. This is a very conservative industry. And this is happening, but we just mentioned that the guidance from the FDA just came up less than 1 year ago. So it's logical that everyone, we need time. And I would say that for new trials, when we start, and I will start one in allogeneic cell therapy very soon, I will definitely incorporate several of these ideas. And this conversation, everything that we are reading, is going to be very helpful for the entire industry.